Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to talk about is the Purina Friskies Classic Pate Poultry Platter cat food. Yeah, okay. Now, I don't know about you, or your cats, but my cats are extremely finicky. Okay, there's only a few types of food that they will eat and be satisfied. And I'm glad to say that the Friskies is one of them, the poultry platter. Yes, they like this. They really do. It's usually easier to feed cats food that's wet versus like the dry, crunchable foods. My cats, they much rather have something that's wet than crunchy. Okay, this has actually liver also and rice in it too, byproducts of that, and they really like it, and a little bit of fish, even though it's called a poultry platter. Yeah, my cats have been eating this for going on, oh boy, going on maybe 2.5 years now. Yeah, and they seem to like it. They like it actually a whole, they never leave any behind. That is a good sign that they're satisfied with the food. Yeah, I'll put this down. This is enough for one cat. So, well, my cat will eat this whole thing. And that's just one. And my cat is full grown, and this is enough for him. And he won't need anything for probably, I don't know, for a few hours. So, yeah, this is good for him. My cats love the taste of it. They really do. And a lot of cat food, when you open it and you put it in their bowl, the actual smell of the Friskies smells a lot better. I don't know about, other people's, opinion about how the other cat food smells, but it bothers me. Sometimes I'll open a can of cat food and it will smell really bad. And my cats eat in our kitchen, like right on the edge of our kitchen. And if I have to open one of their cat food, cans and have that smell come out, it kind of bothers me a lot because it kind of permeates, around and lingers until it's gone, That bothers me a lot. I'm glad that I found one, the Purina one. You can smell it, but it doesn't smell that bad. It smells decent, it smells like an actual food. For me, the other one smells like, I don't know, just it's hard to explain, but it's not a pleasant smell to me. This smells a lot better. So my cats don't seem to care about smell. Well, maybe they do. I'm not sure, but it doesn't bother them. Even the other ones that I'm talking about, that doesn't bother them either. It's just me. So from a human's point of view, the smell is more bearable than the average can of cat food. Yeah, so that is a good plus for me. My cats have been eating this for a while and they've had no issues with it. Actually, just to be completely transparent and honest, when I first put it down there for them, they did not take to it really fast. They ate it that same day and they ate it all. It's just that first they smelled it for a second or two and they gave it a little visual what's over and and sniffed it just for a while, and they gave me that look. Absolutely, both of them did that. They gave me that look like they weren't gonna like it, and then it was just very different. I was like, oh man, that sucks. But no, they looked at me and then looked back down, smelled it again, and one of them took a bite, and then the other took a bite, and the rest was history. They were fine after that. I could give it to them every day, and they smelled and ate it right away. So I don't know. Maybe that look they gave me was to thank me for bringing it. I don't know. It's very good, and they've been eating it for a long time and like it a lot. All right. Well, we are talking about the Purina Friskies Classic Pate Poultry Platter cat food. Yeah. So I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.